In front of me is NUBIA Neo 3, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Don't worry, you don't need to download any app to record sounds on this NUBIA. That's because your NUBIA already has this app called Voice Recorder. So find it, click on it, and tap on Allow in all available pop-ups if you never used it before. Then tap on blue button to start recording. Tap on Allow. OK. And wait. As you can see, your recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on flag icon on the left. To add a photo mark on this camera, also on the left, tap on while using the app or only this time, and take a pic. To discard it, tap on X icon, and to add it as a bookmark, click on the check mark. When you're done, hit Done on the right, and name your recording however you want to. From here you can also delete it right away, or, like in my case, save it. Now to play it, click on it, and check out all of those cool options. Photo tag and tag, which basically means you can add bookmarks even after recording is done, skip silences, speed, and even edit, which is my personal favorite. You can tap on it and manage your recording right away. Pick a part you wanna manage, hit trim, and tap on save to save new version of your recording. Now, if you want to get rid of any of them, hold the chosen one on the list and tap on delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!